we do it with this side too? You caved in your bumper, bud.
Okay.
You're not leaking, it's just the grill. If it'd be better just fucking go buy a fucking battery and just take it home with a battery.
Do what? I don't know.
Just go put a different battery on it out here.
They're probably not charged.
They are. The one I bought came charged. Hey, that's gonna be too short, Case. I was already getting really close to you.
What do you want to do?
could pull the battery out here, go charge it for a sec, come back and get it.
The strap rope?
Oh yeah, whip me in the face. A little too squirrely with it, bud.
I was?
Right when you just drove off, I was dug in because I braked when he slammed on the brakes. Brandon rear-ended me. You see that? Look at his grill.
I looked away for 1 second at the Can-Am going by, just as he was getting kind of close, and then all of a sudden you guys just at a dead stop. Whatever you want to do.
What's the easiest to do?
Tow it.
Go get another tow strap.
Where do you have one? Do you have one back at camp?
I got another tie-down strap just like that. That one was frayed.
Yeah, is yours thick?
Same as that one.
Want to do that?
I can go get it.
Yeah. Do you need me to move?
Guess we're having a cocktail tonight.
I should have just brought it. I thought it'd be all right. We need to push it out of the... We probably should move it out of this thing.
Were you mad he hit you?
Huh? No, I feel bad for him. My shit's fine.
Anybody coming over that's got enough room to move.
This side.
You want me to park on top?
I'll just stand up here.